Sites. We are the students of Delhi Public School, Dehradun. I am Meghna Pandey.
I'm Ishan Lakhera. I'm Dr.
And this is a model 3D printing. We are innovating our society as it addresses natural calamities. It covers more people in less space. Since it is a skyscraper, it covers more people and there is less space at the bottom. So it occupies less space and covers more people.
So coming over to this building is a pyramidal building which gives maximum resistance to high air currents, and it has a very helpful interior which can cover broad base, but it is less in height, and there is a porous pyramidoid at the top because it can absorb the moisture and helps in rainwater harvest.
And it improves the society, and this is new because in China there were 300 houses made with this model with 3D printing, and also in India we are also trying to make the same activity.
These can be used as prototype models for the development of
For the rough idea of any model.
rough sketch.
Rough sketch. Thank you so much.
Thank you.